Okay, we continue to question 2 now. So we want to calculate what is the efficiency. Okay, we want to calculate the effective work capacity. What is now the actual? We are from calculating the theoretical. Now, what will be the actual? Now, given the efficiency to be 85%, okay, this one here, 85%. Now we want to calculate the effective work capacity, the actual work. Okay, what is the actual work? Okay, so actually we can have the formula for effective work capacity. So what is the effective work capacity? Okay, so the effective work capacity is given as that which is equal to the theoretical work capacity times, okay, times the efficiency, okay, times the efficiency of the machine, okay, efficiency of the machine, okay. Now, the theoretical work, we have already found the theoretical work here, which is 3 hectares per hour. Now, we are going to replace where there's the theoretical work capacity, we're going to put 3 hectares per hour, okay? 3 hectares per hour. Now, times efficiency, okay? So in question, the efficiency is there, okay? So in tutorial 2 that, the questions that I've showed you, please just go through. It is saying what is the effective work capacity if the plowing efficiency was 85%? Okay, now this is the efficiency 85%. Now this one, when you put in decimals, it will be 0.85. Okay, here actually is 85 over what? 85 over 100, so it will give you 0.05, 0.85 actually. Okay, now after doing this now, 0.85. Okay, so now what will be the answer if we multiply 3 times 0.585, sorry 85 times 3. Okay, so actually the answer will be 2.55. So we're going to have 2.55. Okay, 2.55 hectare per hour. And this is our final answer. And this is our final answer for effective work capacity. Now we go to the next one, which is saying how long will it take in days to plow 2 hectares to 10 hectares? Okay, if the operator works 8 hours per day, so this operator works 8 hours per day. Now, how long? How many days? Okay, the question is how many days? Okay, so how many days? So we're going to do that. Okay, we're going to do that. Okay, so how many days? So the operator works 8 days, so we're going 8 hours per day. Okay, 8 hours per day. Okay, so 8 hours per day. Now we want to look at in a day for these guys. They were doing the work in 1 hour. Okay, so I say in 1 hour they were able to have these hectares. Okay, so we have 1 hour they were able to plant these hectares 2.55 hectare per hour. Okay, so in 1 hour, okay, so in 1 hour you are able to plow or to plant 2.55 hectares per hour. Okay, hectares. Okay, that is 1 hour. Okay, so that is 1 hour they were able to do this 2.55 hectares. Now, what if you have 8 hours? Is 8 hours here? Okay, what if you have 8 hours there? So we have actually 8 hours here, 8 hours. What will be the answer there, that side? Okay, we're going to put X. Okay, then coming down there, we're going to say 8 hours times 2.255. Okay, so we're going to have 20.4. So we're going to have X equal to 20.4. So this 24.4 hectares. Okay, this 20.4 hectares, it is the land that they are able to plow in 1 day. Okay, so these guys, they operate, or the operator works at these 8 hours per day. So in 1 day they were able to do this, which is 20.4 hectares. Okay, now if this is 1 day, okay, so we can proceed and find the number of days. Okay, so we're going to find the number of days, and if one day is equal to, so in 1 day is equal to this one here. Okay, is equal to this one, 20.4 hectares. Okay, 20.4 hectares. Okay, now how many days? Okay, so we have 1 day is equal to 20.4 hectares. Now, how many days for 210 hectares? Okay, the question is 210 hectares. Then how many days? We have seen that 1 day is equal to 20.4 hectares. This is 1 day. This is 1 day. Okay, so actually, let me just write here. I say one day. So 1 day here, 1 day. So 1 day is equal to the 20.4 hectares. Okay, so this is 1 day for them, because they just work 8 hours, and in 1 hour, this is the hectares that they are doing. So what of 8 hours? This is 20.4 hectares, which is equal to 1 day is equal to that. So if 1 day is equal to that, okay, if 1 day is equal to that, what if you have 210 hectares this side? Okay, what if you have 210 hectares this side? So we're going to say 210 hectares. Okay, what will be the answer? This side actually it is going to be X. Okay, it's going to be X. So you put X there. Okay, you put X. So 1 day is equal to that. X is equal to 210. So when you cross multiply there, okay, when you cross multiply there, you cross this one times even this one times this one here. When you cross there, then you're going to have your X here, which will be equal to your X, which will be equal to 20.4 times X. It will be what? 20.4 20.4 hectares. Okay, 20.4 hectares. Okay, X, right? Now, times 1 day, which is 1 times 210, which is 210. Okay, which is 210. Now, when you divide that over 20.4, in that side 20.4, so what will be the answer? Okay, so we're going to have X here, which will be equal to 210 divided by 20.4, and the answer will be 10.294. So the answer will be 10.294. Okay, these are days. We are finding days. So these are number of days. So these guys, they will do the work for this 210 here. The number of days that it will take, it will be this 10.294 hectares. Okay, so it will be 10.29 hectares or days, sorry, days. Okay, so these are number of days that these guys or it will take for them to complete 210 hectares. Okay, so this is the end of my presentation. Please, if you have questions, please, you can ask. More are coming, so please don't forget to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that you get the daily notifications as I upload the videos there. Thank you very much. See you the next session.